In this article, we'll explore the long-term durability of double-hung windows in Orangeburg, including how they perform in the local climate, the materials that ensure their resilience, and the benefits they offer for homeowners looking for a lasting investment. Understanding double-hung windows. Double-hung windows are designed with two sliding sashes. The upper sash and the lower sash, both of which can move up and down. This design allows you to open both the top and bottom of the window, providing excellent ventilation and air circulation throughout your home. This feature can be particularly valuable in Orangeburg, where warm temperatures can lead to indoor air that feels stuffy or overly humid. Classic look. Double-hung windows are known for their traditional design, making them a popular option for both modern and historic homes. Their simple yet functional design fits a variety of architectural styles, adding to your home's aesthetic appeal. Ease of cleaning. One of the standout features of double-hung windows is that many modern versions come with a tilt-in feature, which allows you to clean both sides of the glass from inside your home. This can be a game-changer in terms of convenience, especially when windows are placed on upper floors. Durability in hot summers and humid conditions. Orangeburg experiences hot, humid summers that can put a strain on your home's windows. However, double-hung windows are designed to endure such conditions, particularly when made from durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or wood-clad options. Vinyl double-hung windows. Vinyl is a popular choice for homeowners in Orangeburg due to its excellent resistance to moisture, rot, and warping. Vinyl windows won't swell or crack in the face of humidity or excessive heat, which is crucial for the southern climate where moisture can lead to mold and mildew growth. Additionally, vinyl is energy efficient, helping to regulate indoor temperatures and prevent heat transfer. Fiberglass double-hung windows. Another durable option. Fiberglass windows are built to withstand the extreme temperatures of summer and the fluctuations in humidity that are common in Orangeburg. Fiberglass is incredibly strong, resistant to temperature changes, and less prone to expanding or contracting like wood or aluminum. Its low-maintenance nature and high energy efficiency make it an excellent choice for long-lasting performance. Wood-clad windows. While wood-clad windows offer the classic appeal of wood, they come with an exterior of more durable materials, like vinyl or fiberglass. These materials protect the wooden interior from the elements while providing the warmth and aesthetic of natural wood. With proper care and regular maintenance, wood-clad double-hung windows are a great choice for long-term durability. Protection against storms and weather extremes. In Orangeburg, like many parts of the southeastern United States, occasional storms or heavy rain can occur. While double-hung windows are not designed to withstand hurricane-force winds, high-quality double-hung windows can be fitted with impact-resistant glass and reinforced frames to offer better protection against wind-driven rain and debris. Impact-resistant glass. When upgrading to double-hung windows, consider choosing windows with impact-resistant glass. This type of glass is designed to resist shattering when exposed to high winds or projectiles, providing added protection during storms. Energy efficiency. Double-hung windows can also help protect your home from the elements by offering superior insulation. Multi-pane windows, such as double or triple glazed windows, can reduce energy loss, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. In Orangeburg, this can significantly reduce energy bills and help maintain a comfortable indoor environment throughout the year. Maintenance for longevity. While double-hung windows are durable, regular maintenance is necessary to keep them functioning properly over the long term. Here are a few tips for ensuring their durability in Orangeburg's climate. Check the seals. Over time, the seals around your windows can wear down, leading to drafts and energy loss. Check the seals regularly and reapply caulk or weather stripping when necessary to maintain the window's energy efficiency. Clean the tracks and sashes. Make sure to clean the tracks and sashes to ensure smooth operation. If the tracks become clogged with dirt or debris, it can cause the window to become difficult to open or close. Regular cleaning will keep the windows functioning properly and extend their lifespan. Inspect for wear and tear. If you have wooden double-hung windows, inspect them periodically for signs of rot, especially in areas where moisture may accumulate. If the windows are properly maintained, they can last for decades, even in Orangeburg's humid climate. The investment in long-term durability. Double-hung windows are a long-term investment in your home's comfort, security, and value. In Orangeburg, where temperatures fluctuate and humidity is high, opting for durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or wood-clad windows ensures that your windows will stand up to the climate while providing lasting performance. Additionally, energy-efficient double-hung windows can help reduce your utility bills and enhance the overall comfort of your home. By choosing double-hung windows that are built to last, you not only improve your home's aesthetic appeal but also add value to your property. Whether you're replacing outdated windows or making an upgrade to improve energy efficiency, double-hung windows are a great choice for homeowners in Orangeburg looking for durability and long-term benefits. Conclusion: why double-hung windows are a great investment for your Orangeburg home. Investing in double-hung windows is a smart decision for homeowners in Orangeburg. These windows offer timeless style, enhanced energy efficiency, and long-term durability, even in the challenging climate of the Southeast. By choosing the right materials, maintaining your windows properly, and opting for energy-efficient features, you can enjoy the many benefits of double-hung windows for years to come, from increased comfort to lower energy bills and an overall enhanced living experience.